Do you want to know how to become an influencer and make money online that way? Then this video is for you. My name's Michael and I've made money online for years, and I have, among other things, built this YouTube channel at the time of recording this video, close to 400,000 subscribers, and I also have a popular website, and many viewers have asked me how they can become an influencer and earn money online. And therefore I decided to record this video where I will share some things that most other people will not tell you, so you will know how this really works and if this really is the right option for you. So let me just start by clarifying that what we'll talk about here, it can be used on basically any media. That means like whether you're interested in, for example, becoming a TikTok influencer, Instagram, YouTube, blogger, whatever it is, these tips are the foundation for what you need to know and how you need to do it to build long-term growth and sustainability in your income. And it is also an approach that I recommend because it's also a way where you do not just have to hype things, but where you will actually help people. And this will be the foundation of how to do that, because many people just start with the media, starting like, oh, I want to, learn TikTok and become an influencer and things like this. And for me, this is not really the right way to start it. So instead, you need to step back a little bit and build a foundation. And that's what I will explain more about here. So let's move on to the first important tip I want to share with you. So the first tip might seem a little bit strange, but in my personal opinion, your goal should never actually be to become an influencer. It might sound strange, but I think too many people are just looking at influencers, and personally it's not even really a word that I like, because they're like, what does it even mean, right? There are so many so-called influencers that are just hyping things without sharing real value. There's also a lot of really great influencers, but if people are coming into the make money online world and want to make money, and the goal is just to become an influencer, just to be seen and to get attention and to make money, that's not the real approach. There are too much like that, too much noise. And for me personally, it was never my goal when I started, for example, my YouTube channel and my website to become an influencer as such. It was to share information and help other people, and of course then also make money in that process. And that's, in my opinion, a better approach. So step back a little bit, say like, okay, my goal here is to find something that is valuable, that I can help other people with, that I can then also build into a business. And that brings me to the next tip. So the next tip is that you should first of all think about what you want to share. There are too many people online that does not have anything real to share, that does not really help people with anything. And before even consider becoming an influencer, you should feel like you have something to say, something to share that you can add. This can also just be entertainment. Entertainment online is great and can make a big difference for people. I also love sometimes just watching entertaining videos or reading for the sake of reading, like things like that. That can be fine, but just try to clarify what you are doing and why you are doing it. What do you do for other people, not just what do you do for yourself? And this also brings authenticity, and it also means that you're actually making a difference and you're sharing something real instead of just superficial hype for the sake of getting views, for example, if we're talking about YouTube or likes on Facebook or whatever it may be. So try to find something that you feel is something that you have some knowledge about, that you can share, where you can make a difference, whether it's entertainment or sharing knowledge about a certain topic that you know something about, that you want to even grow more knowledge about while you're sharing. That's fine, but have something to share. And also, in my personal experience, unless you're already a really famous person, then starting a blog, for example, or a website where you just share your personal opinion and experience about random things that are all over the place. I see people sometimes do that. They publish like hundreds of videos, but it's just them saying like, oh, now this is my opinion, or now I'm going, to the shop down the corner, things like that, like it rarely becomes popular because I know it might sound a little bit harsh, but why should people care, right? To be honest, unless you're a famous person, you will likely be wasting your time by trying to become an influencer that way. It's better to step back, think about like, okay, which certain topic do I want to make content about? Focus on that, become an expert of that, share something that truly helps and inspires people, whether it's entertainment or education, whatever it is, and then from there you can grow. And that brings me to the next tip. So the third tip here is to, based on everything I'm talking about here, is to focus on quality. When you focus on quality, learn how to build the right content, then you will eventually start building an audience. And if you're brand new, I recommend that you get a course. Like if you want to become a TikTok influencer, if you want to become a YouTuber, or blogger, take a course that teaches you those steps, because if you just try from scratch, it can be very hard. But of course, be careful, because there's a lot of really poor courses out there. So, choose wisely for sure. But then choose something that can teach you how to build something, like focus on quality, build quality content within that topic you have chosen, and with that media that you have chosen, the traffic source, as I would call it. And then once you start building your audience and your traffic, your popularity, then there are plenty of ways to make money and help people at the same time. The ways to make money can, for example, be sponsorships. It can be affiliate marketing. It can be ad revenue. You can even have your own product. You see some people also have that. There are plenty of opportunities once you start having an audience that truly connects with you and that believes in you, because they know that you are sharing something valuable. So this is the long-term way to do this. Yes, it will require effort, but you can actually make a difference. You will feel good about what you're doing, and you can make really good money at the same time. So to sum it all up, most people actually can become an influencer if they're just willing to put in time and effort and follow the approach where you take a step back and don't just try to become a popular influencer by creating fake hype. Focus on quality. And by doing that, you can make a difference, you can help people, you can feel good about it, and potentially make good money at the same time. I do have more information about how I got started, for example, with my website, and which turned into my YouTube channel and all that there. If you want to know more about the steps that I've taken, I'll leave a link to that below. But no matter what, I hope this video inspired you to follow a specific approach, because this is, in my opinion and experience, what will give you the best long-term results. And if the video did help you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.